everyone, my name is Toshiga. Today I'm going to show you how to change the electrode to a different diameter size. But why do you even need to change it? We recommend bigger diameter sizes for transmitting higher power to the workpiece and smaller diameter sizes for fine work and delicate parts. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the electrode. Therefore you need the handpiece, pull the argon nozzle off, unscrew the clamping nut, take the collet and the electrode out, take the new one, screw the clamping nut back on, use the handpiece holder to find the right length, screw it tight, put the argon nozzle back on, and that's it. A quick info on the collets. We have got 3 different sizes. 0.6 mm collet fits to 0.6 mm and 0.5 mm electrodes. 1 mm collets fits to 1 mm and 0.8 mm electrodes. And 1.3 mm collet fits to 1.3 mm electrode. If you want to know how to sharpen your electrode, then click on the link down below.